TikTok affiliate marketing. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do affiliate marketing using TikTok. So let's get started. You might have heard about TikTok. TikTok is a short video sharing platform that allows you to share any kind of a video. You can share your dancing videos, your fashion videos, whatever video you want to share, and you can use TikTok. TikTok is really famous now, and it has billions of users. And whenever a social media or a such platform is famous, we know that there are a lot of opportunities that come with it. So when it comes to TikTok, as TikTok is really famous, now we can do business on TikTok. We can create our own ads and we can use TikTok for our affiliate marketing. We can promote our products through TikTok and we can actually earn maximum commission. So, how to get started? This is a beginner's tutorial for you guys to know how you can use TikTok for affiliate marketing, how you can use it to promote your products, get the traffic, and earn the maximum commission by doing affiliate marketing. So, the first thing that you need to do is, of course, you will require a TikTok account. You will simply create an account. You can simply go ahead and sign up for TikTok with your Google account, add your email address, and you get your own profile. Now, what you have to do is you will need an affiliate program. So you can go to any of the platforms such as clickbank.com or digistore24.com, Warrior Plus. There are many affiliate programs out there, affiliate platforms. So let's say you go to clickbank.com and this is where you will land. What you have to do is you will simply need to sign up as an affiliate. We're not selling a product, we're not creating a product. We just want to make money. We want to do affiliate marketing with TikTok for free. This is going to be completely free. It does not charge you any money. If you are a professional, then of course you can create your own product as well, and then you will be able to sell it and do affiliate marketing. Let's say that you are an affiliate and you want to earn up to $150 per sale. So with affiliate marketing, important step is promoting our product. That's what we do as an affiliate. So you can also go to digistore24.com. It's very easy to use. You simply register and then you get to the marketplace. So in marketplace, we get a lot of different products to choose from. As I said that in affiliate marketing, we need to promote a product. So first we need to find a product in that platform and we can go with any of the product. Let's say that you're on TikTok, right? And a lot of people are looking for product for education, maybe fashion, foods and drinks, fitness and health. So let's go to fitness and health right here. And you can see these are all different products that are available on this platform right here, which is affiliate marketing platform. And you can see this is a smart blood sugar, and you can see right here I can earn up to 80% commission with this one, and I will be making $36 with each sale and with each click. This is my commission. This is the average price, which is $72, and this is the vendor, this is the billing type. Every information is given here, and this is my product. Now what I have to do is I will simply click on promote now, and then I will get my product link. Once you have your product link, now you have to go to your TikTok because we need to promote our product link that we have just created. We just got our own product link. Now we need to promote it on TikTok. Now, let's say that you don't want to show your face and how to create videos on TikTok. You don't know how to dance and you don't want to be on TikTok like that. You just want to do affiliate marketing. So what we can do is we can create videos without showing our face, and we can create videos with stock footage. What I want you to do is you can simply go to pexels.com, and on Pexels you will be able to find stock footage. You can see right here. We can get free images, videos and music. We can find very cool images right here. And what we can do is, as my product was health and fitness, right? This is my product. You can see it was in health and fitness niche. I will go to Pexels and search for health and fitness. So you can see now I have stock image right here. I have photos and videos that are completely free on fitness. You can see right here, these are very related images. And now what I can do is I can create a video on any editor on my mobile phone, and I can add these different photos that are completely free. You can see right here, HD pictures, and maybe I can add this one. And our product is for our blood circulation, it's like a sugar product. Then I can simply go ahead and add this image, and I can add a text as well. You simply edit a video for free. You can use canva.com for your editing, you can use Adobe, whatever editor you're using to edit your pictures for Instagram, or maybe you can use TikTok for that. You don't even need to go to any other platform. Yes, you don't have to go to any other platform to create videos because TikTok allows you to do that, right? So what you can do is you can just save the photos. All you have to do is just save the photos, go to TikTok and create a new TikTok, adding these photos, and then add text. Maybe get the videos as well and add different videos and just make a TikTok like we usually do. So now what's happening is that I have a video and I don't have my face. I will be able to create a very professional video for TikTok. I can add the link in the description, the promotional link that I had for this product. I can also add a product image. I can add the link for the sales page that I have for my affiliate product. People will click on the product and they will check out my TikTok. I will get views. And if I get 1,000 views, I get 2,000 views, then it's pretty sure that out of 2,000, 200 people are going to check out my sales page from here. And once they click on the link, I am making money. Once if they buy it, let's say maybe out of 20,000, out of 2,000, maybe even 20 people are buying my product, that's a lot because then I will be making $36 with each sale. And we can actually go up to more. We can earning like 80% commission. And that is how simply we do affiliate marketing on TikTok using TikTok. Is really fun and really, really easy. Similarly, you can search for any of the videos on Pexels and then you will be able to find really good, HD footage for your TikToks. Similarly, whatever niche you want to go for, you select your product. Let's go for fashion. And let's say I have a fashion product and I want to, do affiliate marketing for a fashion product. So what I will do is I will simply get my link for my product. Then I will go to Pexels. I will search for fashion. And now I have all of these different fashion photos and I have all of this fashion footage that I can use. So that is how we simply, create videos. But if you want to create videos on TikTok showing your face, if you already have an account, it becomes really, really easy for you to promote your product because then you can simply review your product. You can do product review videos and we can create up to like 1 minute video on TikTok too. So you can add that video to your TikTok account reviewing the product that you just bought, and you can show people that this is actually a really good health product, or maybe this is a really good fashion product, this is really good software. They check it out and they are impressed and they want to buy it. They buy it and then you are earning commission because that's your affiliate product. With every click, with every sale, you will be making money using TikTok. So that is how we simply use TikTok.com for our affiliate marketing, and it's really easy. I also showed you how to create TikToks if you do not want to show your face and if you want to create really cool affiliate marketing, TikToks. Add your promotional link right here in the description of your TikToks, and that's it. You are good to go. That is the easiest way and free way to do affiliate marketing using TikTok. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to do affiliate marketing using TikTok. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.